Assalamualaikum and greetings to all audiences. Today we from Group 35 are going to present about our product design. Our product name is for this course is Ergo at Chair. First, I would like to introduce my group members. The leader for this group is me, Muhammad Amir Ali bin Muhammad, B0520100204. Next, Muhammad Insad Amshari bin Adnan, B0520101163. Then Aiman Basir bin Ahmad Fazil, B0520100209. And then, and lastly, Muhammad Faris bin Nordin, B0520101172. Okay, let's get into this slide. So we agreed to make a good chair as our product for this project. It is suitable from the theme given. Innovative solution for community application. It is close enough to the scope of the project that includes disabled and elderly people. People realize that the convenience of the chair that exists in either ergonomics or portable only. So this Ergo chair has been created to solve these two problems that we're facing. We believe that this product will be able to help most people in most convenient way. Elderly and disabled people share one common problem when trying to get up from the chair, and the problem is to ask other people to assist them to get up from the chair. Actually, it is troublesome sometimes when there are no other people to assist them to get up from the chair. Other than that, any ergonomics chair out there does not fulfill the combo ergonomics and portable requirements. So Ergo at Chair try to tick these two requirements to make sure the community live with ease while keeping the chair lightweight and durable. So for the objective for this product design is to increase the durable of the product while keeping the lightweight of the product by using suitable material. Next, to make sure the portability is achieved by make the chair is easy to carry anywhere. And lastly, to evaluate the requirements of the customer for the product markets by carry out Google survey form and a few interviews with the user. So the limitation of existing product is expensive, non-ergonomics, design, not portable, needs powered outlet to use. So we believe that ergonomics is the main concern for the design. We make sure the thickness of the cushion and angle of the seat is applied properly for our chair. While keeping ergonomics at the best, this chair also tries to keep this chair alike as possible for portability. Lastly, the dimension for this chair is built according to the most seat chair around the world to make this chair compatible at its finest. Based on all the existing product in the market, most products use a power seat to achieve force needed to lift up the user. Therefore, the product is innovated to be power-free. Next, we try to improve the ergonomics level from the existing products while keeping it lightweight and comfortable when using it. The dimension for the products also is measured according to the most chair used to increase its compatibility. So, this is all from me. Next is I will continue the presentation. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Amshari and I will continue for the methodology part. In this chapter, we will discuss about several topics such as data collection for design requirement, methodology for data collection and analysis, design for manufacturing and assembly, and also house of quality. For data collection, we use the market survey method to gather some ideas and views from the people around to improve our product. In market survey, it is split into three parts, which is part A, part B, and part C. Part A, demographic data of respondent. We have conduct market survey and receive a total of 66 respondent, which is 36 men and 30 women. Majority of them are adult citizen. Part B, evaluating the issue and the opinion of respondent. Among the survey, most of them had never heard of the existence of this ergonomic chair. A small percentage of poll respondents reported that they have trouble standing up after sitting on a chair. Majority also said that they were less comfortable while sitting on a standard chair. Part C, customer purchasing orientation. So this is the early design for ergonomic head chair. When it comes to customer purchasing orientation, majority of respondents are eager to invest in the product that we went to develop. Most of them believe that the design and features that we attempt to do are not an issue for them. They believe our product has a strong chance in the market. According to the most response, our products are safe for people of our age. We also provide an estimate pricing range for our product, which is between RM100 to RM150. Most respondents believe our product is acceptable and affordable. We move to the methodology for data collection and analysis. The method for collecting the data and analysis that we use are using the task analysis and study participant. Ask several questions of their opinion on our product and the problem that they are facing in daily. These are some of the questions that we had asked to the participant. The design for manufacture and assembly is an engineering process that prioritizes both the simplicity of manufacture for the product parts and the simpler assembly of those parts into an product during the early design phase of the product life cycle. FMA used to be two separate methodologies, which is design for manufacturing and design for assembly. The FM is aiming to reduce overall manufacturing time and cost for product component by selecting cost-effective raw material and attempting to minimize the complexity of manufacturing operation during the product design phase. This enables a manufacturer to detect and avoid errors during the process. Similarly, the FA is concerned with decreasing the number of individual parts and possibility for build and quality variation to reduce the product assembly time, cost, and complexity. So here's the advantage of the FMA. Several advantage which here as shown here. Next, we go to the next part, which is house of quality. It's actually a basic design tools of the management approach known as quality function deployment. It is believed that HOQ is designed to reflect customers' desire and requirement. So here's the HOQ table. Based on the customer requirement that relate to this product, the customer will prefer portability, ergonomic, and include with some other requirement. In part of that, the engineering requirement derive measure to ensure that the customer requirement and company certification both are fulfilled. Okay, that's all from me. We continue to my next team member. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faris bin Nordin. I'm going to continue for the part 3, which is results. For the task analysis, the goal of Ergo at Chair is to assist the elderly or the disabled who has problems getting up from sitting down. There are 5 steps of using Ergo at Chair. First, place the device, then adjust the device, sit on the device, activate the lever, get up or stand up. Description of user task. First, check device. Before using the product, the user needs to check whether the product is still in good condition and safe to use. Once the product is satisfactory, the user can use the product without the fear of any mishap happening during using it. Second, place device. The device has to be on a stable surface. This is because when the product is on unstable surface, the user will be wobbling as the product stability depends on the surface stability. Third, sit down. As the user sits on the product, it will return to its original position, which is when the gas spring is retracted. And if the product is already in its retracted position, Then the user just need to sit on it without any problem. Fourth, activate lever. When the user activate the lever, it will actuate the gas spring. The spring will then lift up the seat that will eventually assist the user to stand up. The gas spring does not push the user forcefully, but instead it lifts the user gently, as the force of the gas spring has a force around 250 Newton to 500 Newton. Fifth, get up. As the product is lifting the user upward, the user could hold onto the side handle to regain balance and control their stability. Then the user would move forward by a little as their body would be able to stand up by now. Then, design for assembly. This is our tree structure of the product. This is the product in bill of material for the original product. There are 21 items for original product and the total price is 786 ringgit. This is the product in bill of material for the new product. There are 10 items for the new product and the total price is 159 ringgit and 10 cents. The new product is easier and less expensive to do, also can reduce the manufacturing costs. Next is Boothroyd Dewars for original product. After the data collected, the design efficiency is 7.5%. This is the Boothroyd Dewars for a new product. After the data collected, the design efficiency is 32.1%, which is higher than the original product. For the process selection, it is involving with cutting, injection molding, investment casting, and stitch and slash.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Aram Basir bin Fazil. I am going to continue the presentation on design for environment. Design for environment is a design to approach to reduce the overall human health and environmental impact of a product, process or service, where impacts are considered across its life cycle. For our product Ergo chair, a SolidWorks feature called sustainability was used to gather data on DFE, and from there we know the environmental impact coming from the product. Here is the top 10 components contributing towards a specific environmental impact. There are 4 categories of environmental impact, which are carbon footprint, air acidification, water eutrophication, and total energy consumed. Discussion part 4. In this part, I'm going to cover about concept generation, concept evaluation, concept screening, concept scoring, and final design. Concept generation is a procedure that begins with a set of customer needs and target specifications and results in an array of product concept design alternatives from which a final design will be selected. And there are 5 crucial steps for creating concepts, which are understanding the problem, researching established solutions, brainstorming and ideation, assessing the ideas and solution, picking the winner, and starting working on it. In creating a concept design, we will need to make a morphological chart, in which we made here on the table with solution 1 and solution 2. Solution 1 being the initial design and solution 2 being the improved design. Moving on to concept screening. Concept screening is a process that an organization can use to narrow down the number of ideas that are commonly generated for a new product or service. As shown in the pure concept screening chart, concept B and C were selected to further development. Concept scoring is improved concept screening actually. Based on these tables below, concept C was selected to be the final design of our product. And here is our final design, drawn in 3D drawing using SolidWorks, orthographic and isometric drawing. Finally, conclusion, part 5. To conclude this presentation, I would like to point out the current development of the product design. The house of quality was used in study to justify what the customer needs and fulfill how customer criteria are directly related to the technique's quality of the product. And also, the design of the product was improved in multiple aspects from time to time as the development of the product progressed. And that is our group presentation on Ergo at Chair. Thank you.